Into the news we go now. Today marks 1 year since the first coronavirus case was reported in Mobile County. On March 19, 2020, the Mobile County Health Department confirmed a child tested positive. Since then, more than 510,000 cases have been reported in Alabama, including more than 37,000 in Mobile County. The Mobile County Unified Command, which was created to respond to the pandemic, formally demobilized on Wednesday. Today, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention relaxed social distancing guidelines for schools, saying students can now sit 3 feet apart in classrooms rather than 6 feet. Nicolette Schleisman is live at the Mobile County Health Department. Nicolette, it doesn't sound like this is going to change too much locally.
Yeah, that's right, Cherish. We reached out to both the Mobile County and Baldwin County Public Schools, and they both said that right now this isn't going to change much of what they do already. Now, Baldwin County Schools tells us today that they have always said that they will social distance as much as they could anywhere inside and looked at the CDC guidelines just like that as guidelines. Now, the Mobile County Public School System tells us it won't really change what they're doing right now either. They'll continue to be spread out 6 feet apart as best they can. They say half of their students are still doing online remote learning, but it will affect them come August when all students return to face-to-face instruction unless they're enrolled in the Mobile Academy of Virtual Learning. Now, the Mobile County Health Department this afternoon says that wearing a mask is playing a big part in the reduction for the need for this social distancing and why the CDC said that those guidelines can now be relaxed a little bit. Cherish.
And Nicolette, one thing we were just looking at on the video, some of those barriers around the kids. Walk us through the rest of the CDC's changes for schools.
Well, Cherish, the CDC has removed the recommendations for those plastic barriers or anything else barricading in between students in classrooms. And they are also saying that all elementary school students, no matter the amount of spread of COVID-19 in the community, can remain that 3 feet apart. Now, middle school and high school students, if there is a high spread of COVID-19 in the community, they are to remain 6 feet apart as part of those guidelines and just maintain those precautions. And again, this is all as if they are wearing those masks.
And Nicolette, the decision to relax the guidelines is based on a study. Tell everybody about that.
Well, the CDC says that this guideline, some of the schools had already relaxed them to 3 feet apart, and they were studying those and found that there was no real difference between 3 feet and 6 feet while wearing those masks. So that's why they're encouraging people to continue to wear those masks, even though they have relaxed to 3 feet. Cherish.
Okay, thank you so much, Nicolette.